Hello everyone, welcome to ePathya videos. So in this session we'll be learning about the GK questions on South Indian rivers. So in the previous session we have discussed what is a river, the definition of a river and few important points on rivers and few GK questions also. So in this particular session we will be entirely dealing about the South Indian rivers. So which are the main rivers of South India? The main rivers of South India are River Narmada, River Tapi, River Mahanadi, River Godavari, River Krishna and River Kaveri. So the river Kaveri and its tributaries like Arkavati, Simsha, Hemavati, Kapila, Honnuhole, Amaravati, Lakshmana Kabini, Lokapavani, Bhavani, Noyal and Tirtha. There are many tributaries of river Kaveri. Which is the smallest river in South India? Arvari River is the smallest river in South India. It has a length of about 6 kilometers in total. The overall length of this river is just 6 kilometers. And Arvari River is a small river in the Indian state of Rajasthan. So it's just have 90 kilometers of length and it is also considered as the smallest river of India and flows through the Arvari district of Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is not entirely in South India, but still the smallest river is said to be Arvari River only. For suppose in example, if they had not given Arvari River, then you can go for the option with Tapi River. Which is the longest river in South India? So River Godavari is said to be the India's second longest river after Ganga. Which river is called as Ganga of South? River Kaveri is called as the Ganga of South India. So River Kaveri, before emptying into the Bay of Bengal near south of Kadalur in Tamil Nadu, the river breaks into a large number of distributaries forming a wide delta called Garden of Southern India. So which is known to devote Hindus as Dakshina Ganga. So the Kaveri river is celebrated for its scenery and sanctity in Tamil literature and its entire course is considered holy ground. The river is also important for its irrigation canal projects. Which is the first important river of South India? So River Kaveri is said to be the first important river of South India. Because Kaveri River is said to be the lifeline on Karnataka and Kerala. So this river provides water to both the states and has lot of historical significance as well. So this river has also been the reason for various tips between many states, especially between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. River Kaveri flows through Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and as well as Puducherry. Which is the third largest river in South India? So River Kaveri is said to be the third largest river after Godavari and Krishna. So River Kaveri, it is said to be a sacred river to the people of South India and it is worshipped as goddesses Kaveri Amma. Where is River Kaveri located? So River Kaveri rises on Brahmagiri Hill of Western Ghats in southern in southwestern part of Karnataka state, and it flows in a southeasterly direction for 475 miles, which is about 765 km through the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and it descends the Eastern Ghats in a series of great falls. What is the other name of river Kaveri? The river Kaveri, it is also known as river Ponni in Tamil. So river Kaveri, it is said to be the fourth largest river in South India. So it originates in Western Ghats at Talakaveri in Karnataka's Kodagu district. Where does Krishna river flows? So the river rises in Western Maharashtra state in the Western Ghats. In the Western Ghats range near the town of Mahabaleshwar. So this place is not far from the coast of Arabian Sea. It flows, the river Krishna flows east to Y and then in a generally southeasterly direction past Sangli to the border of Karnataka state. So how many dams are there in Krishna river? So two dams, the famous dams of Srisailam and Nagarjuna Sagar, are constructed across the Krishna river. What is the another name of Godavari river? The river Godavari is also known as Dakshina Ganga and Gautami. It is also called as Vridaganga. So the holy places of Godavari river are located on the banks of the river at Nasik and other at Bhadrachalam. How many dams are there in Godavari river? So the number of dams constructed in Godavari basin is the highest among all the river basins in India. So nearly 350 major and medium dams and barrages have been constructed. So this is a little information about the rivers of South India. In the next session, let's discuss some other interesting topic. Thank you.